How to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you how you can fix the airplane mode issue in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go to your device settings and scroll down to the app. Now tap on Manage App. Now in this section, simply scroll down to find the Monopoly Go. You can simply search it in the search bar. And once you are done searching, simply tap on it. Now in this section, simply tap on Clear Data shown in the bottom right corner and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on Clear Cache. This should resolve the issue for most users. Next, open Monopoly Go to check if the problem is resolved. If not, there is an alternative solution. You can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to reset it completely and start fresh. But if the problem still persists, consider using a VPN. For this, you can go to the Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS and search for any VPN you would like to download. You can simply download and install the app, and after the installation, set up the VPN by following the instruction provided in the app. And once the VPN is active, try launching Monopoly Go again. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the airplane mode issue in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.